Nike Air Force 1 Low Next Nature. Guava Ice. This Air Force 1 is bringing a breezy vibe to summer 2025 with a side of sustainability. Dressed in smooth peach tones and crisp white leather, it looks like a creamsicle for your feet, but make it fashion. This AF1 stays true to the iconic two-tone design but swaps the usual midsole for a clean, colorless version. It's subtle, it's sleek, and it pairs with every warm weather outfit you own. Add in that signature Next Nature construction, and you've got a sneaker that's kind to the planet and your drip. Nike's been making major eco moves with the Next Nature lineup, including Dunk Lows and Air Force Ones just like this. It's all about that recycled content life, so you can flex while doing something good for Earth. Karma Points unlocked. The Nike Air Force 1 Low Next Nature Guava Ice releases in summer 2025 for $115 US. You'll find it at Nike.com and select retailers.